Good morning, guys. It has occurred to me that last Saturday was a year ago I launched Scratch Kitchen. Yeah, 1 year anniversary, and I don't realize it till almost a week later. Who am I? What am I doing with my life? Anyway, in that year we have done canning projects, we've done baking projects, we tried to do with neat little rolled cakes, a lot harder than it looks, but you put Ina Garten's theory of assemble something, make something, buy something to test, and it does work. We did bake miss. We've done pantry meals, taking items that you would get from a pantry, with food pantries, and made a meal out of it. Now, we've done leftover makeovers. I cannot believe how fast this year has gone by. Also, what has happened since July 18th of last year when I launched this channel has been a virus named after a beer, a lockdown that drove people to to buy up toilet paper at a maddening pace. Uh, Everybody started baking to relieve their anxiety. And here we are, late July, going into August. Makes you wonder what else is going to happen for the second year anniversary of Scratch Kitchen. Holy cow. I look forward to seeing. We will be doing more cooking. It definitely will be from scratch as much as possible. And I will see you guys on Sunday.